Hello guys, the problem that we are looking in this video is contains duplicate. So this is again an easy question. Given an array of integers, find if the array contains any duplicates. So your function should return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and it should return false if every element is distinct. So if we see in the first example, so 1 is present twice, so here and here, so it returns true. So in the second one, so none of the elements appear twice, so return false. So every element is distinct by and here there are again, yeah, one appears many times, so return true. So there are two ways to solve this problem, and both ways are correct. So depending on the constraints given, you can solve either of those. So first approach is like, so I have this array, right? So what if I sort this array? So then all those duplicates have to come adjacent, right? So if there are duplicates, so when I sort this, it will be 1, 1, 2 and 3. So when I sort this, all the duplicates have to come adjacent because they are same. So then what you can do is you can go on comparing the neighbors. So for 1, I'll compare with the next element. So it is same, so I can return true. I have a duplicate. So if I do this for this array, so when I sort this array, it will be again 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these inputs may not be sorted actually. So yeah, so this is already sorted, which is one case. So yeah, again it will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if I compare here, the next element is different. So for this, the next element is different, and for this, the next element is different. Or I can do it with the previous element as well. So I can start with here and go on comparing previous. So this is different. For this, the previous is different. For this, the previous is different. So something like this. And but for this one, when you do here, when I say here, the previous element is same. So I will be returning true. This is one way of doing it. So here, if they tell that you are not allowed to use any extra space, then you can do this. It takes n log n time, but not extra space. So that is one way. So the other way is, so when you see duplicates or something like that, hash set should come to your mind. So kind of it becomes obvious when you solve many problems. So I can have a hash set here. So for every element, I go on adding to the hash. I first check if it is present in the hash set. So that I can do in constant time. So I'll first, the hash set is empty. So I'll check if 1 is present. No, I'll add it to the hash set. Next I'll check 2. Is it present? No, I'll add it to the hash set. 3. Is it present? No, I'll add it to the hash set. So now 1. Is it present? Yes, it's present. So a duplicate exists. So I'll return true. So what about the second problem? So if I have a hash set, so for 1 I'll check if it's present. No, so I'll add it to the hash set. 2, I'll see if it is present. No, I'll add it to the hash set. 3, I'll see it's not present, so I'll add it. 4, again it's not present, I'll add it. So I'm able to entirely parse this array, and I have not come across any duplicates from the hash set. So I can return false, there are no duplicates present. So if I see the code here, yeah, this is this method here we have implemented using sorting. So in the hash set you would require extra space, right? So for the hash set, so at max it can have all the elements in the hash set, so O of n space, and you are only traversing this array once, so it is O of n time. So time wise, this method will be better. So if you are allowed to use extra space. So here what I am doing here is I am sorting this array, and then I'm at every time I'm comparing with the previous element. If it is same, I have a duplicate, I return true, otherwise I return false. So in the second approach, what I'm doing is so here I have a hash set, and every element I'm checking if it is already present in the hash set, then I have a duplicate, return true, otherwise I'm adding it to the hash set. So let's submit this code. Yeah, thank you. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to get more updates, and share among your friends and help us to reach out more people. Thank you.